Hi there everyone. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you how to use the projector modes on Windows to switch between the way that your computer is using the monitors that you have. So at the moment you can see I've got my laptop here, and at the moment the only screen that's showing is the laptop screen. In order to access the projector mode, you need to use your keyboard. You can see down in the bottom left hand corner here there's a Windows key, and then I'm going to hold that down and I'm going to tap the P key, and that brings up my project modes on my laptop screen. You can see at the moment the option there shown is the PC screen only. What we're going to do is we're going to choose to duplicate my window, and what's that going to do when I click on it is it's going to activate this second monitor over here, and in a couple of seconds you'll see that it lights up and whatever's on my laptop screen is being duplicated on my second monitor, my external monitor. You can see if I pick up the File Explorer window and move it around, then it's moving on both screens. I can change the way that my Chrome browser is looking on one screen and it automatically changes on the second screen. So that's our second projector mode. So we've got just our laptop, then we've got duplicate, which is both the laptop and the external screen. Now I'm going to press Windows key once again on my keyboard and tap P. You'll see I get my projector modes opening up again. This time instead of duplicate I'm going to choose to extend. This is my favourite one, and this is what I normally operate in. You'll see that when I choose extend, what's on my laptop screen is different to what's on my external monitor, and I can actually move the applications from one screen onto the other screen. So just picking up the title bar on the window and dragging it to the right takes it from my laptop screen to my external monitor screen. This means that I can have one program running on my left screen and I can have something completely different on my right hand screen. It's particularly useful when you're doing document editing, referring to a document on one screen and editing a document on the other screen. So that's the extend mode. So once again, that's Windows P and then just choosing the extend option for your Windows. There's also a couple of helpful keyboard tips. I'm just going to break these windows down so that you can see them a little bit easier. On my keyboard once again, if I hold down the Windows key and then use my arrow keys on the keyboard, you'll see at the moment my active window over here is Chrome, and if I push the Windows key and the right key, you'll see that it jumps to the right hand side of that screen, and each time I push the right hand key you'll see that the Chrome browser is moving to a new position across my two monitors. So that's Windows and right. If I want it to jump back, then I can use Windows and left, and you can see it jumps back. And if I have it maximized on one screen and I hold down the Windows key and Shift and then right, you'll see it immediately jumps to the other screen. So that's the right and the left key with both Windows and Shift held down on my other keyboard. Hopefully that's helpful. The last mode there is the second screen only, and hopefully that's reasonably obvious. That's just going to give me my external monitor. So it turns the laptop monitor off and gives me just my external monitor there. Hopefully that will help you with your projector modes on a Windows laptop.